Hello everybody, this is going to be a short reverse engineering walkthrough of CTF challenge that I have completed in past. So as I was learning and I was solving CTF challenge 2, and I think this is very helpful to level up yourself. So here it asks us for to use password, so let's submit bunch of it. So here we have incorrect password, and let's try a couple of times. And here we have too many attempts, so we need to take this as note for the reference point. So let's open our debugger. So I'm gonna use X32 debugger. So let's open this, and let's open our app through this debugger. Then, as we have seen in real app, this app, first it shows enter the number, then if we type it, then it shows incorrect password. So for this we simply have to take an reference point for that incorrect password, or we have, let's couple of times, then we have too many attempts, so we can take that as a reference point. For that, go to search, then all module, and then string reference. So here we have our string that is incorrect password, congratulations, and we have access denied, too many attempts. So incorrect password is when our password is incorrect. I mean, when condition is satisfy, then we have congratulations. If condition is not satisfied, then it's incorrect password. So we have, from this is, I'm taking this as a reference point, so I can, from this point I can go move upwards in order to check any comparison has been done or not, or I can go down to see the comparison has been done or not. So let's begin. Let's go up. Let us see how this so here we have nothing. So let's see, like, keeping a bunch of breakpoints. So here we have incorrect password, right? Let's go down. Here we have incorrect password. So let's check at reference. Let me check one more thing. Let's see what happens if condition is correct. I mean, this is what it's gonna show. So from here also we can access deny, too many attempts. So look at here. Here we have access denied. So here is some comparison, jump less than this function, and there is another comparison, there is another, so it can directly bypass it this. So here, so I'm trying to connect a dot. I mean, here we have one function, so let's keep as a breakpoint. Let's keep this breakpoint, and if something were to happen, then we will get alerted. Then we have, like, let's go up. So here is our incorrect password. So here is our comparison function. If jump greater than this function, then it goes through this. So let us create a breakpoint, and let's take it manual approach. Let's create I think we don't need a breakpoint over here. Let's try to run it, right? Run. So let's click it again, then it shows a prompt. Then let's try bunch of string. So right here we have been breakpoint has been set. So what we can do is simply step over. Let's check manually, then look at our stack. So nothing has been changed. Okay, then let's go. Let's step over. So it is simply ECX. That means count has there means this is some kind of loop. So it's moving some this data segment into a data segment plus EAX. EAX is this. So we don't have to know that. So let's get to our another breakpoint. In order to go another breakpoint, just use this run. So here we have this function. So if this function is equal to, here we have a comparison, then we have our jump equal to this function. So what if we try? So we want to get to this congratulation one, right? So if it's equal, then it directly goes to another loop, it goes to another function. So what we can do is simply type here jump if equal. So what do you, so if it's equal, then it's jumping to this function. So this function, so if we make it not equal to, then it will go through that function. So let's try JNE, then let's hit OK. Then let's cancel it out, then let's run our program. So here we have our password. So let's check next one. So here I have F5. Same thing. What we can, let's check this first app. So let's try bunch of character. So this is our registration code. Then here we have invalid code. So let's try again. So it's going to pop up same. So let's try go to search, then all modules, then string reference. So here is our invalid registration code, and we have let's try that again and find okay. So here our congratulations, you have registered the password. Let's double click it and let's see. Let's go up. So nothing special is going on. So what we can do is, if there is a certain condition, okay, it move. So if it's greater or equal to this function, then it goes over here, then move, then it pushes over here. So let's take a breakpoint over here. Then we have this. So in order for this to run, we have simply, if jump is equal to this function, then it goes to, okay, let's use this as a breakpoint. Let's go up. Okay, I think okay, let's go to that invalid string one. All module, then string reference. So we have invalid code. So there is some function going on. So let's take this as a breakpoint. Okay, all right, let's go up. Okay, here we have congratulations, you have registered, and we have invalid. So this is a block of code, and this is separate one. It's like a if else condition. So let's check. Okay, let's if greater, or let's run this program. Here we have this. Okay, let's double click it, and it asks us for us to register, and let's try register. Okay, let's try it again. Let's take a source, then all the reference. Okay, let's use CPU, and let's go to source, all module, string reference. Then we have our passport is, then something is not working, right? So it's directly executing this block of code. So how can I not make this block work? So let's take a breakpoint somewhere over here, and somewhere over here. Let's make this happen. So let's reload our this program, then let's run this. Let's try a bunch of character registration code, and let's click on register. Okay, it's going through manually. Then let's use this, and let's go from here manually. There is no change on register so far, so it's just simply doing push, then call. It's simply push a call, and you lift, and let's step over. So there is no change on stack too. So let's keep on going. I know this is gonna be tedious, but let's go. And this goes to direct here. I think we need to have here a breakpoint, then we can, so it's directly executed over here. So that means let's do it again. Let's run this app, and we have registration. Let's try register, then let's go to run, and we have another breakpoint, I guess. So here is our breakpoint. So if it's equal to this, and what if we change here not equal to that function, then okay. So let's get back, and let's, if this is equal, then it goes here, this function is being executed. So now it's not equal to this, our So let's play this. Let's run this. Let's run it. So this is how you get this is how I solved this sheet here. So thank you.